In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mailchimp by phone. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned email marketer, sometimes you need direct assistance, and getting someone on the phone can expedite solving your issue. We will walk you through the steps of reaching out to Mailchimp's customer support team by phone, making it a breeze. First things first, you'll need to begin at the very beginning, logging into your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here you'll be greeted with fields asking for your username and password. If it's your first visit or you haven't saved your login credentials, you'll need to input your username or the email address associated with your account. Remember, ensuring you're entering the correct login details is crucial to successfully accessing your Mailchimp dashboard. Next, it's time to type in your password. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in. If by chance you've forgotten your password, don't fret. Mailchimp provides an easy to follow procedure to reset it. Just click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. After entering your login credentials correctly, it's time to click on the Login button. This action will redirect you to the home page of your Mailchimp account, where you can manage campaigns, view audience insights, and more importantly, access support if you need help. Once you're on the home page, look for the Help button. This is your gateway to Mailchimp's support resources, including their knowledge base, email support, and as we are interested in today, their phone support options. Typically, the Help option can be found in the bottom corner or within a menu. The placement might vary slightly depending on updates or changes to Mailchimp's interface. Clicking on Help will bring up several options for support. Mailchimp has streamlined their support services to ensure you can find help in a way that best suits your situation. Understanding how to navigate this section will save you time. While Mailchimp is known for its extensive online resources and email support, they do offer phone support for certain subscription plans. It's crucial to note, phone support might not be available for all account types. Mailchimp provides different levels of service depending on your subscription plan. Usually, premium accounts have access to more direct support options such as phone assistance. This is an essential aspect to consider, especially if you foresee needing one-on-one help frequently. If your plan includes phone support, you will find contact numbers here. They provide specific numbers based on your region to help better serve their global customer base. Before making the call, ensure you're prepared with your account information and a clear description of the issue you're facing. This preparation helps the support team assist you more efficiently, leading to a quicker resolution of your problem. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to contacting Mailchimp by phone. Remember, accessing phone support depends on your subscription plan with Mailchimp. If phone support is a priority for you, ensuring you're on the right plan is essential. Mailchimp's online resources and community forums are also fantastic places to find answers and advice. So even if phone support isn't an option for you, know that there are plenty of ways to get the help you need. Always remember that managing digital tools is an ongoing learning process. Each step taken to understand and utilize these platforms better is a step towards more effective and impactful digital marketing efforts. Whether it's through phone support or leveraging online resources, Mailchimp works to provide its users with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I'm confident that with these steps, reaching out to Mailchimp's phone support will be straightforward and helpful, ensuring your email marketing campaigns run smoothly and efficiently.